Hi, I'm Abby. Welcome to my New York City kitchen, where today we're making baked halloumi fries. So what does that even mean? Okay, so halloumi is a cheese. It is in a lot of Greek dishes that you might see. It tastes kind of like mozzarella, but a little bit saltier, and it is firmer. So what people love about it is that, as you're gonna see today, we can cut it into planks or strips or pieces, however you wanna do it. You can grill it, saute it, bake it, and it holds together. So essentially we're kind of making, baked cheese, but in pieces like fries. So the first thing I'm gonna do here, I have onion powder, garlic powder, and some ground black pepper. We're gonna put that into a bowl here. And then I have some olive oil. So we're gonna do that. And then I'm actually gonna slice up my halloumi here into pieces that are kind of like fries. So you can do them like planks like this, or the cheese, as you can see, it just kind of fell apart. So I like them kind of in half this way. It naturally breaks here. You can also use your knife to do it like this for a little bit cleaner slice, but I'll go half this way. And then again with the planks. We're gonna drop everything right in here. Couple more fries. And then I'm essentially just going to mix them in our seasonings. So you can use whatever seasonings you like. So I know I talk about this a lot, but a recipe is really like a formula or a guide. So this is gonna kind of tell you how to cut the halloumi and what to mix it with and what temperature to cook it at and for how long. But if you wanna do a different version, go ahead. Maybe you wanna use some dried parsley or basil in there. Or maybe you wanna do some cayenne and spice it up a little bit, or red pepper flakes. Do whatever you're gonna like, because you're the one that's going to eat it, right? Or whoever you're cooking for or with. So then I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm just going to lay out our cheese in a single layer here. Easy peasy. And if you have a hankering for like mozzarella sticks, or your kids really like mozzarella sticks, this is an amazing substitute because there's no breading on it and it's not deep fried, we're baking it. So it's a healthier version, essentially, of a mozzarella stick, which is pretty amazing. So as you're gonna see, we'll put it in the oven at 425 for 10 minutes, then we'll take it out and we'll flip it over, and then another 10 minutes, and it's gonna get golden brown and look super delicious and be nice and crispy and tender on the inside, just like a mozzarella stick, but it's baked halloumi. So into the oven for about 10 minutes, flip 10 minutes. So we'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, so it's been in the oven for about 20 minutes. Halfway through, I turn them all over, so they're getting nice and golden brown. Let's check on our halloumi fries. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful those are. You can see they're nice and golden brown on both sides. Perfect, right? And they taste super yummy. So I would pair these the way that I did them, maybe with some marinara sauce or some spiced hot honey even, or ketchup or mustard, also delicious. So, or honey mustard. Oh my God, there's, whatever you like for dipping sauce, these are gonna be really delicious. So once again, I'm Abby. Thanks for watching my New York City kitchen. These are my baked halloumi fries. We'll see you next time. Bye.